$3.99. I can get with that price. What's up, y'all? It's Randy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the Hawaiian Silky Gel Activator. A lot of my followers were asking me, had I ever tried this brand before, and I actually have not. This would be my very first time trying anything from this line. But when I was in a beauty supply store, I kind of went towards this because I wanted to try a wash and go with this gel activator, and plus it was only $3.99, so that was definitely in agreement with my pockets at the moment. So it says it's the Hawaiian Silky Gel Activator with proteins and moisturizers, and it's for natural shine, no buildup, no flaking. And for the directions, it says apply a sufficient amount to hair and massage and style. I do always read the directions on the back of any new hair products that I want to try. To me, it just makes sense. So, you know, I can try to have a successful wash day if possible, if the product works for me. And like I said, it was $3.99 for 8 fluid ounces. Now, as you guys know, I always come on camera with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I apply my leave-in in the shower as usual. And I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. It's a pretty light leave-in, and usually when I'm trying new products, I also try to use a light leave-in, just so I can, you know, really see how the products work without using anything heavy to start off. So let's see. It has I don't really know how to describe the smell. It's like I don't know, clean? I don't know, but it doesn't smell bad, I will say that. The consistency, to me, is pretty much like a Eco Styler, seems like. Yeah, the consistency is pretty much like an Eco Styler gel. Not gonna have an extra long intro today. You guys know I do my wash and goes in 4 sections and subsection those sections. So we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is clumping my hair really, really good, if y'all can see that. I'm not gonna get excited yet. I tried not to get excited because we always know the moment of truth is when your hair actually dries. So, I don't know, y'all. We're just gonna keep going and see. You guys, it's been about, I think, like 4 or 5 hours I don't know, somewhere up in there. But my hair is about 95% dry. My roots are very disrespectful, y'all. And it's my roots, and sometimes the length of my hair, like right down here, sometimes takes the longest to dry. Cue Mila. Hi. 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 I had to go pick her up from school, so she is here. Thank you. I was kind of scared while I was applying. Well, first of all, let me show y'all, jumping the gun, where we are. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is very shiny. It didn't weigh my hair down like a gel would, like an eco or a wet line while I was applying, but it did define my curls very, very, very well. While I was applying, I felt like it felt kind of sticky while it was going on, so I was scared that my hair was gonna feel sticky when it dried, but it didn't, so that's a plus. It does feel very, very light and soft, so I know that I probably won't get that long of a wear out of this, because Florida's humidity and heat is very, very disrespectful, y'all. So my hair, it'll probably last a couple days before the humidity. My hair just doesn't do well with humidity, so yeah. But I do love the results of my hair. I used about, if you guys can see, about that much. So with this 8-ounce jar, I can probably get about 2 to 3, I would say 3, probably 3 uses, 3 wash and goes out of it. I might even be able to stretch it to 4, but I don't know, so I'm gonna say 3 on the safe side. For me, that's for my hair. As my hair gets longer, I use more product, so I can probably say I'll get about 3 uses out of this 8-ounce jar. I do like the product, but like I said, for Florida's humidity, my wash and go probably won't last that long. So if you don't live in a very, very humid climate, then you should be fine. The hold, it's not an extreme hold for my hair. Like I said, it didn't weigh my hair down like a Eco Styler and a wet line did. So, but the hold is decent. It's not extreme, but it's decent, so you can get some wear out of this. But there isn't like a very strong smell, so if you're really into smells, or if you're not really into smells, then you should be okay with this product. And as you guys can see, you can probably definitely pick up that shine on camera, and it definitely did define my curls. I have very minimal frizz. The frizz that I do have is from when I blow dry my hair for about, I want to say 20 minutes. I don't like to go to sleep on wet hair, but I do have some hours before I'm going to sleep, but I like to blow dry it just to give it a little bit of help. But the frizz is just from what I created, which is very minimal. And you guys know I do not pick or fluff my hair on the first day, or sometimes I don't pick or fluff at all. I let my hair gradually get bigger on its own, and for me it just lets my styles last longer, and then I have less breakage and tangles when I go to wash my hair on my next wash day. So do I like the product? I do like the product. I will probably have to use it when it's not so humid outside, so not for a Florida summer, but when it starts to cool a tiny bit, then I would definitely probably get more wear, and then I might even be able to use it for like a twist out, for, you know, some extra hold and some extra shine. Definitely I might try it for a twist out. That is it, you guys. I do really like this product. It is definitely worth my $3.99, so I probably would purchase again, because the shine, like, I love the shine. It's a really good product. So say hi. You gonna say see you later? Or say bye-bye? But make sure you guys definitely check me out and follow me over on my Instagram page at naturally_fearless. That is it for this video, guys. See you later, boo.